Hi guys, my name is Shahmeer and welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna solve these Rubik's cubes. So let's get started. So right now I'm gonna solve this Rubik's cube. So I'm solving it. It's kind of confusing because in this Rubik's cube there's so much steps, and in the 2x2 there is just like 3 or 2, I don't know, and steps. So I'm solving. So you guys, I'm done solving this Rubik's cube, and I'm gonna do this Rubik's cube now. Now I'm done solving this Rubik's cube. I have no more Rubik's cubes. So I'm done solving this Rubik's cube and at the same time this. So I hope you enjoy my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.